let's dive on into this. All right. We are going to check out Bitcoin. We're going to start from the monthly and work our way down. So, checking out Bitcoin on the monthly, you can see these monthly candle high closes that were sitting around 67,588. If we can maintain the level we're sitting at right this moment in time, by next Thursday, just 7 more days, this will be the second highest daily or monthly candle close Bitcoin has ever had in its history. So this is actually a very big deal what Bitcoin is doing right now. And if you look at the monthly, this looks a lot more like a bull flag than anything else we've ever seen. And if you are staring at the monthly, then you are looking for a massive move coming. So the move, it starts from all the way down here actually. And if this is truly a bull flag, we could see price come all the way up to $114,000. So Bitcoin is poised for greatness right now. Absolutely great. Let's come down to the weekly time frame. Coming down to the weekly. On the weekly, we are still in the bullish control zone, coming out of neutral territory. Love to see that. The fact that we are pushing up on the stochastic, that is fine. We stay overbought on the stochastic for months. I'm not even kidding. It could be months. I don't really care about the stochastic at these really high time frames, but looking at this weekly candle close, massive bullish candle, and now it does look like we are getting that back test and we are holding support as of right now. We got 2 more days on this candle, so we're going to see what happens. Going to the daily, on your daily time frame, we just had a bullish engulfing candle printed as of 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So with this bullish engulfing candle and the confirmed back test, Bitcoin has a lot of room to run. It has a lot of room to run. Thanks to this back 3 days of pullback, we actually got some room on our stochastic. We are sitting in the bullish control zone, looking pretty solid. Coming down to your 4 hour. Getting into this 4 hour, it does look a little dark. My mic has static? Oh, Jesus. Are we serious? Is that weird feedback that I see? Oh, gosh. I don't even know what's causing the static, if I'm being honest. There's no noise in here. Maybe unplug and plug back in? Yeah, I hear it. Sounds staticky. Son of a bitch. I don't like that. Hold on. I unplugged my mic. What mic is in? Okay, I don't know what mic that is. It's worse. Oh no. Hold on, that one worked? Wait, what? Is the static back suddenly? Turn it back to the other one? Really? That one works better? That's so weird. Alright, we'll just go with it. We'll just go with it. It's fine. So that actually sounds fine to you guys. It picks up the room? Yeah, that is weird. I don't even know what happened. You know, I put my PC in sleep mode. I think that's what happened. Okay, hear me out. What if it's his speakers? My speakers are not on. God, you guys threw me off track so bad here. Holy shit. So wait, does this sound better? You know what? Hold on. Wait, does this sound better? Ew, this sounds terrible. Wait, does this sound better? Ew. This is actually better for you guys. You know what? We're gonna roll with the punches here. I'm gonna just kind of deal with it. Yeah, it sounds like I'm talking in a hallway. It's good now. Carry on. The other one had hella static, brother. No static. So okay, you guys are willing to sound like in a tunnel rather than static. I understand. I get it. I get it. You know what? I think we're just gonna buy a new mic. That's voice is deeper. Okay, it's clear. We hear the sirens. Did I have sirens in the background? I didn't even hear sirens. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. All right. So Bitcoin, what I was talking about. Hold on. So I'm not so peaky. Let me pull down the volume here. Maybe that's better. All right, maybe that's better. Is it? God, now I gotta listen to myself. This sucks. It's gonna drive me nuts. Now I gotta listen to myself. This sucks. Okay, wait. We're almost there. We're almost there. Hold on. Maybe if I pull it down that far, oh, that might be the sweet spot right there. That might be the sweet spot right there. How do you guys like it? Are we good with that? Are we okay with that? Because right now, you guys are actually hearing me from my webcam, which I'm so confused how my webcam has a microphone on it. But hey, the world is listening. There you go. All right. We're gonna stick it out. We're gonna roll with the punches. Screw it. Anyways, so Bitcoin on the daily. We just had the bullish engulfing. We can see on the 4-hour we retook our 50 simple moving average. The biggest problem I see right now, and I'm being serious about it being a problem, is we have this high stochastic on the 4-hour. This is not a great look. This is problems. But anyways, checking out your 1-hour. Your 1-hour looks gorgeous. Your 1-hour looks like you're gonna rally tonight, and maybe we pull back tomorrow. Your short 68.7. I don't know if that's a good short. Hear me out on this. I don't know if that's a good short, Greg. Reason being, it's this low stochastic on the 1-hour. This could ruin your trade while you're sleeping. Let's check out the 15-minute. Yeah, your 15 wants to rally also. I'm leaning toward long. I'm thinking a long play might be better. All right, let's check out the heat map while we're at it. 24-hour heat map. So you can see the absolute devastation that happened today between the 40 million, the 35 million, the 42 million, and even this 20 and 27 million. All of this got liquidated today. We do have a little bit more upside ahead if this is real. Did I take profit on Bohm today? I did not trade Bohm. I was in Bonk, and yes, I did take profit because I saw Bonk on the 4-hour looks absolutely atrocious. I'm not sitting in that. So I got out of Bonk. Book of Meme, I've been waiting to see if I could get into it, but right now I'm going to show you the pick I have for tonight that I think could rally 20%. My bad, Bonk, yeah. No, I took profit on it. I actually took profit on it like 2 hours ago, maybe an hour ago, something like that. It was recent. So Bitcoin, if it feels like being mean to all the shorts out there, we still have 31 and $37 million of overhead. Like, these are the big blocks. And then not to mention all these other smaller ones. So we still have some room overhead. But if we go out to the weekly, these are the big trades that really matter. These are the expirations. The longs got absolutely devastated this week. Now it looks like the shorts are about to get completely wrecked if we see $70,000. So it would be kind of like poetic justice if all the longs and the shorts got wrecked. And considering we came down and we got a confirmed back test, I'm guessing tomorrow's going to be a bullish day. It's just a guess, but that's simply because the stochastic on the 4 hour, it can stay in overbought territory for multiple days on end. It really can. So, yeah, I'm leaning toward bullish right now. I think Bitcoin actually has a chance of going up. And I think 70K is our mark. That's what we're looking for. So, like, as terrible as your 4 hour looks, your daily looks like way better. Just way better. So it makes sense if we, even if it's like 72K, but a nice 70K, nice round number, maybe we get up to 71.2, it kind of makes sense. So I do wish you the best of luck on your short. I just don't think the shorts are going to play out the way we think they will. I mean, don't get me wrong. Yeah, we probably should come back down here to 65.8, 65.85, confirm the low. But the fact of the matter is, if the billionaires were looking at this as a bull flag right here and not looking at it like this, and they not looking at it like this, well then, we had a confirmed backtest. But if we raise it up to here, now we're rejecting off the top, and we should see much lower prices. More than likely backtesting the 200 daily moving average at 63.5. The biggest discrepancy I have is the fact that this exists right there. That, like, you can just pull it down and it actually makes sense. That's our biggest problem. Since we found, yo, what's up, Rich? Since we found such great support right here, I'm leaning toward this was the pattern we should be looking at, because you can see a former high here is acting as complete support. So let me show you right here. You can see this peak and these candle closes. It's showing this was a resistance and now it is acting as support. As long as we don't fall below these two candle low closes at 66.45, I think we're on the road to $112,000. So I still wish you the best of luck on your trade. I just personally think it's probably going up. I think the shorts are about to get a rude awakening while we're sleeping. Also, a weird thing happened today. Pennsylvania signed it into law that it's your right to own Bitcoin, which I was like, I'm really glad you can own your own property. Everyone go long fast. Don't do that. Do your own research. Greg, thank you so much for the subscription. I appreciate you. You're amazing. Guys, we're at 392 subs. We're well on the road to 1,000. We're getting there. We're getting there slowly. All right, so the trade I was looking at before I booted this bad boy up, AEVO. So AEVO, this thing actually looks very interesting to me, considering you can see we've been bottoming out. We found our support. Now it looks like we're about to try and go up. I'm thinking we test the top of this range, because on your daily, we started putting in this supply line here, and we've been regarding it as support. This is actually really good. Diving down into the 4 hour. 4 hour, it's like, are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Not sure. But what I am sure about, you have a very distinct level to put a stop loss. That makes me extremely happy. So even if it does come on down and tries to backtest 33.5, you have a very tight stop loss where you can minimize your losses. But the level that it's trying possibly to get to, it's 21% upside. I do believe this could happen if Bitcoin decides to go a little crazy tonight. Anywhere 21 to 27%. And let's go down to your 1 hour. 1 hour, your stochastic gave yourself a little bit of room. You're in neutral territory. This thing could start spiking up tonight. Checking out your 15-minute and your 15-minute reset. So we're going to dive into this trade right now. We're going to get a stop loss right where it showed a low, second low. Now you have your higher low forming. I'm going to take a risk on this so you guys don't have to. AEVO. We're going to throw a 20x at it. Let's get out of here. I don't need to talk about a 20% gain at a bomb. Goodness gracious. Don't need to talk about it. But we are long AEVO. Let's see if we can get it all in there. Let's get it all in there. So I told you my reasoning behind this. I believe a breakout is imminent. Hopefully, it adds up, Greg. Hopefully. I mean, all we're trying to do is get the probabilities in our favor. So I'm going to have this stop loss at 3,551. It's a very tight stop loss. But you know what? Better safe than sorry. Better safe than sorry. So 3,551. There we go. We have the possibility of losing 32%. No big deal. Taking the profit. We're going to throw it at the high mark because if Bitcoin starts going well, this is probably going to go well. 45.9 is my take profit level. 459. Okay, so we are risking 35% for the possibility of making 543%. I like the risk to reward here. And of course, you can always stop your trade early. So if you notice that you're up and it's all of a sudden not looking good to you anymore, just get out of the trade. No big deal. I'm going to show you why I got out of Bonk. Because Bonk, it just has me worried. Checking out the 4-hour on Bonk, you can see how we bearishly backtested our 50 simple moving average on the 4-hour, and we have a high stochastic while not maintaining above this 2276 level. Makes me think we're going to come down and backtest one of these levels or even just trade sideways. I feel there are better opportunities than just sitting and waiting in a long. So I cashed in 75% of your 1K Sol 5X long and used it to open an identical trade at 172.32. Nice, Rich. Let's go ahead and check out Solana and see how you're doing. Solana, I do believe, is having a really good move. 225 is my target for Solana, but I want to see what it's doing now. But noted, if Solana starts going up like crazy, I'm going to be very discouraged since Bonk is directly affected by Solana. So let's hope it doesn't get too crazy. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I want you all to make tons of money. Solana is showing me the classic I'm scared things, so I would be waiting personally. You're starting to show hidden bearish divergence. Hurry Mans, thank you for the follow over on Twitch. I appreciate you. Solana to 110 in a few weeks. Jay, gosh, so bearish. It's wild. Hello, friends. I really love your content. It brightened my day. I do like to join your next stream. Add me on Discord. You can jump into Discord if you like. The link is right there. Hurry Mans. I can guarantee you I will not talk first in Discord. Ever. There are scammers out there, and I don't want you guys to get scammed. I will never message you first, nor will I ever send you a friend request. Just so you know. Both of those things I will never do. Too many scammers, not worth the risk. So if it looks like I'm trying to talk to you like that, I'm not. It's not me. It's definitely not me. Anyways, why is my Streamlabs not posting this onto YouTube? It's a little frustrating. There you go, YouTube. The Discord link is there. Join the community. It's a great place to be. But yeah, so Solana, it's showing me the very classic, like, I don't really want to be in this thing, simply because you can see on the 4-hour, you're starting to show a little bit of hidden bearish divergence. You're showing a very high stochastic RSI. I don't like that one bit, Sam I am. I don't. You are tapping into that overbought territory. Stochastic crazy high on the one on the daily. So be careful on your trades with Solana right now. because if it does pull back, it would be completely normal. Remember, you had this little trading range between 163 and 159 that you broke out of, and you never formally back tested. So the possibility of it coming down there sometime, it's a little higher than it's not going to go down there. So always keep that in mind with your trades. And I mean, I do think it's going to get to this 225. I just don't know if it's going to happen tomorrow, because Bitcoin looked a little interesting. Not gonna lie. What would be really nice is if Solana popped up here, possibly to this 193 level, and then it came back down to back test this level as support. That would be extremely nice. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Let's see if your 1 hour is giving you. Oh, 1 hour is giving you a lot of hope here. A lot of hopium on the 1 hour. Holy crap. So maybe we do get that wish. That wish could come true where we trade somewhere between 185 and 194, and then we come down for a bullish back test. That would be amazing. But it does look like your 1 hour wants to rally. So, not saying get out of your trades, just saying be careful. If I was trading this just to preserve capital, I would have a stop loss sitting right at 173.17. Give you a little bit of wiggle room, but these candle closes here, I would be scared of. If we got below that and we came down here, then it went up, it would be rage inducing, but also it would just be a smart thing to do. Save your bacon. Save your bacon. There will be trades in the future. Make sure you have capital available. Now, going down to your 15. 15-minute looks great for upside, but what it looks like in real life looks awful. I don't like the way this looks. So we're going to see what the 15-minute does. Maybe it pops up quickly so that it can roll over again. I do not know. But all I know is you are above 174. If you can hold 174, 225 is the target. If you don't hold above this 174, you very well could come back down to either 165 or 159. These are all possibilities. So let's just hope the shorts continue to get wrecked on Bitcoin. Let's hope. Looks like the trade I jumped into not looking as promising as I thought before. We're finding a bit of resistance. What a shame. Anyways, let's go into, what was the other one I was, oh, AVAX. I was looking at AVAX earlier today. So AVAX, on your daily, it looks gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. You have this stunning supply line that you are regarding as support. You haven't quite touched it, so there's a possibility you come down to it. But if you can get above this 28.14 level, you have two targets. First target, 39.14. Second target, 47.78. So I would love if these futures traders would stop suppressing the prices, because for them to arbitrarily be like, yeah, we're going to go down for sure, because I know I'm selling, it kind of sucks. So they're artificially suppressing the price, but it's like they're doing kind of a bad job of it, you know? It's an interesting little dynamic. But AVAX here, it is set up for greatness. You're starting to get very tight moving averages, and you're low on your daily stochastic. This is really a big deal. Being low on this daily matters. You're in neutral territory. Let's go out to the 4 hour. Now the 4 hour is where you have a lot left to be desired, and that's why I do think maybe we come down and we touch our green line here. If we get this touch and it just flies out of there, well, you've been warned, because I think that will be the last touch we get on this green line below 28.14. It's just my thought, but we will see. Your MACD looking terrible, but it is trying to get a bullish cross on your two little moving averages here. Trying to get that bullish cross. Trying desperately hard, actually. Let's go down to the 1 hour. I'm sure the 1 hour looks great. Yeah, the 1 hour looks absolutely great. Just like a lot of the market right now, the 1 hour is what's trying to make it to where you jump into these trades overnight. Yeah, the 1 hour is really the saving grace. So we're going to have to wait and see what happens. I'm thinking the 1 hour takes over. just for tonight. Just for tonight. And then as soon as Wall Street wakes up, they're going to sell it off. It's fine. Alrighty, so that's AVAX. Let's go ahead and dive into another one I was looking at, PyPy. I posted this one in Discord. I just want you all, especially since you're here, to just look at it and see my thought process here. I do have an alert set up. Well, I want to make it a little lower. Okay. I do have an alert set up based off this falling wedge idea. So checking out the daily. So looking at your daily, you can see an absolute beauty of a falling wedge. Falling wedges are what I love. What I love even more is when it's a falling wedge back testing a former level of support. This looks good. Tomorrow, future contract finishes. Yes, so major futures contracts on Bitcoin, they expire on the final Friday of the month, which just so happens to be tomorrow. So with that being said, you usually see a ton of volatility on the final Friday of every single month, and normally it's shorts trying to cover their shorts, so they are selling off just dramatically. It is awful. However, this time around, it's a little more strange, because if you look on the heat map, you can see on the weekly time frame, or on the week, all the longs already got liquidated. So now it's leaving it wide open for the bulls to try and liquidate all the shorts. So this could be a weird week where both longs and shorts just get wrecked. And, you know, that would be a little spooky for Halloween. Anyways, back to what I was talking about with Pi token. So you can see we had this big drop. We found support. We got a higher low. We rallied up. Now, to confirm the lows, we're looking for that back test. If we're getting a back test while in a bullish pattern, you're just expecting it to play out. You're like, hey, great, awesome, let's send it, let's make some money. So we do have a measured move because of this. Once it does break out, and noted, we're waiting for a breakout and a back test, of course. So we'll be looking for somewhere over here for this to happen. So around November 12th. That's, like, keep that date on your calendar, November 12th. Let's go check out PyPy. Let's see what it's doing. But this move, just off this, is an 85% move, getting you above this level of resistance, sitting at 19059. So this is actually a very beautiful structure that is being formed. I like that. But if you do get that 85, you are likely to get this 173% move, because you would be breaking resistance. So keep PyPy on your radar, and hopefully we can get some gains out of this bad boy. Actually, I didn't look at it like this. Let me try this out. Wow. So we were in a wedge here as well. Go figure. So this was a wedge as well. That's cool. Didn't realize that. Runner, what is up? How you doing? I'm glad you can see. What's PyPy? I guess, as it was explained to me before, it's like the Chinese Pepe. That's how it was explained to me. Yes, sir. Much better. Very nice. Very nice. I'm glad it's doing much better. Chinese Pepe, you can trade this one on weeks. Let's see what kind of leverage you can actually use on this. So PyPy, IE. Whoa, we used to be able to trade it. We don't trade it anymore? Oh, that sucks. When did it get taken away? That's not cool. That's not cool. The only reason it's on my watch list is because we could trade it before. Kind of sucks you can't trade it right now. PEI. Yeah, it's PEI. Too bad. I thought we could trade this one. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. I posted that for no reason. Why is it not there? But PyPy still. You can get your. Can we do it on spot? Can we do it on spot? Hold on. Spot. We can do it on spot. All right, we can do it on spot trading. Look at that. Still coming through. It's right there. It's right there. You can spot trade this. Let's go. Castle keeps stopping me out my longs. Rich, then stop trading it. What are you doing? We'll check out Caspa next. But yeah, you can trade PyPy on spot over at Weeks. Very nice. Love to see it. I love to see that. All right, but yeah, PyPy, we're looking for the price to get down here. And once it gets down here, this is your accumulation range anywhere in here. And then you could be enjoying a quick little 137 upside. Hi, how we doing? Yo, Max, we doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good. We're about to check out your favorite. We're going to check out Caspa. By the way, anybody in chat, if you have any requests, feel free, drop them in the chat. We are looking at all requests. All of them. So, Rich, I'm pretty sure it was you who talked about, like, oh, I'm going long. And I was like, we should test this green line again. I haven't lost anything, just trying to find the bottom. Rich, I feel like we talk about Caspa at least 3 times every stream, and I stream daily. Brother, are you on the green line? If not, probably don't go long. Are you above this red line? If not, probably don't go long. The only thing you're focused on in a downtrend is when to short. That's the only thing you focus in on. When can I go short? That's all. That's it. If you break this red line, now you're looking for, where's my back test? I need my back test. Back test is king. That's what you want. All right. Should we sell our bag of Sol? You know, Sol's in a weird spot. I think it's more of a wait. Wait and see. If you're already in Sol and you're not on leverage, wait. Just chill. You're good. But if you are on leverage, I would de-risk. I wouldn't sell it all. I would just sell some. Me personally. I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm just saying I like to preserve capital. That's really what I like to do. And right now, anybody trying to pull out a fresh long on Solana, the risk is very high. The risk is very high for a fresh long. So, those are my thoughts on Solana right now. No way. There's no way Caspa's trying to find support off this level. No way. Alright, so what I'm looking at here are these candle low closes from back here in history, the long ago for Caspa. And look at how it's interacted with this line here. Resistance, resistance, support, fell through, came back up, support, resistance. You're trying to maintain support? Who would have thought? Send me a spot idea on Render. I'll check that out. I have a buy order on that green line. Nice. Nice, Rich. But yeah, for some reason, this level has actually been consistently a level where traders are just trading around ever since back here on November 26th of last year. I like Caspa there. That's why I keep longing. I don't think you did. What? But yeah, that's a weird level. That's a really weird, just in the middle of nowhere level. That's crazy. It's an original support line, I guess. I don't know. But it does look like it's trying to catch a bounce off it. Let's go down to the 4 hour. Well, I don't want to say you have an argument for a long, but I can see why you would go long. It looks bad. No, it actually looks really good. You broke above it. You tried to hold once, came up, you held it, came back up. Now you're holding it again while resetting your entire stochastic. This actually might break out. Who hits $1 first, Kaspa or Doge? That's a hard one. The only reason I say that's a hard one is because Kaspa, it has the most opportunity to hit $1 because people are building on it. So Kaspa should. XRP can wipe my butt, and it'll probably still leave crumbs of Dookie there. No, I don't like XRP at all. But what? Oh goodness. Thank you so much for the sub, Runner. I appreciate you. Inverse head and shoulders. Shoulder, head. I guess, yeah, you could say inverse head and shoulders on the 4 hour. I guess you could argue that. All Cass was doing right now, it's giving you a great little spot to put a stop loss. Stop loss would have to be probably below this wick over here, which is at 12.6563. If you decided to go long, I mean, wish you luck. But yeah, you'd have to have a really tight stop loss for it to even make sense. You already hit this level of support once. You should not go below this level if it actually is support, because it should just be a back test. The 1 hour wants to rally off of it as well, and it's technically hidden bullish divergence. So you got a little hidden bullish divergence trying to form here. It actually looks like it wants to rally, which that's kind of the theme of tonight. It's like higher time frames look like nothing's gonna happen. It's these low time frames, the 1 hour and some of these tokens, the 15-minute, they're the ones showing the strength. So I think tonight, while we're sleeping, good opportunity for prices to go up, but as I said before, we might see some crazy volatility when the US wakes up tomorrow. Yeah, Runner, once again, thank you so much for the sub over there on Twitch. We hardly get any subs on Twitch, so you are one of the real ones. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Huge shout out to Runner, everybody. Huge shout out to Runner. And of course, with YouTube not being monetized, it goes a very long way. Good or bad on volatility in the morning? Since we have high stochastics on the 4 hour, I would say it would be bad volatility. But that's just a guess. I missed it, had ads until subscribed. I understand. I understand. Alright, so yeah, Kaspa does have the possibility of going up. Also on your 15-minute, you started showing hidden bullish divergence from this dip back here. Like, strength was just been gaining this whole time that you've been falling. This thing can fly up. Yo, Max, thank you so much for the Prime sub. I appreciate you. Thank you. Seriously, goes a long way, guys. I appreciate the heck out of you guys. Who knows? Maybe in the height of the bull run, we can go for partner. YouTube Premium is worth. I do have YouTube Premium. Oh, no, he's talking about on Twitch, though, Rich. So on Twitch, Twitch just runs ads. I mean, I literally can do nothing about it. It just runs the ads. Twitch is more for profit than I am. It's kind of shocking. It's actually shocking. They'll be like, hey, we got 2 minutes of ads. Hopefully you're enjoying the live stream. And it's like, what? I don't know how to turn them off. Yeah, I think Twitch, that one would be worth turning them off. Yeah, they are thirsty. Smash the like button, says Trade Intuition. I'm really glad I read that as intuition. My brain was trying to say institution. Hope everyone's doing good. What's up, everyone? What is up, Trade? How you doing today? We are all doing fantastic. We're looking at how things can rally overnight. Yeah, overnight, I think we're about to see a weird rally that's going to catch a lot of shorts off guard. A lot of shorts going to get caught off guard. Bitcoin's already starting to do it. Hold on. We're starting to get a little bit of positive Momo. A little bit of positive Momo coming. I was trying to look at ICP, but then I just saw things are starting to push up. Everyone says institution instead of intuition. Yeah, I almost did it. I almost did it. Would like my thought process on Turbo. I got you covered. Got you covered. Let's take a peek in on that trade that I jumped into live on stream real fast. We are in the green. We are in the green right now. We're up 2%. We can pull out a new home mortgage. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go out to Turbo. But yeah, Bitcoin, it is starting to try and move to the upside. So, shorts, be careful. Shorts, be careful. Turbo getting hammered on the new day. However, looking tasty. I like what Turbo's doing. I do like this a lot. Let's just say if Turbo was like the hot girl at school, but also liked anime, probably gonna take that one to prom. What's up, boo?
You didn't take me to prom. What the heck?
You didn't like me.
So? Could have asked.
Fun fact, me and my wife, we actually went to high school together and graduated together, but she didn't like me because I played football and she was part of the outsiders. And, yeah, I found her after college. I found her. What's up?
How much?
10 drops to 15 drops. Do it in a glass of water and chug it like you should have in college. What?
I can do it now. I don't have to do it in the morning.
Yeah, you can do it anytime.
10, you said?
Yeah, start with 10.
I'm going to do 10 because I don't know.
Yeah. Damn! Oh, yeah. No. I was your typical jock, but anyways. So looking at Turbo, the reason why I said I absolutely love what Turbo's doing here, you can see this downtrend that you were in. You can see the level of support that you had. You tried to break down. The sellers, they weak. They're not hitting the gym. So then you got a bullish engulfing on the daily. Here's where it gets saucy. If we get a confirmed backtest as support, this is set up for greatness. Do not enter early. Do not enter early. This thing could try and wick you out. Do not enter early. Going out to your 4 hour, you can see the negative nonsense you're seeing from this 50 simple moving average. That kind of sucks. 46 minutes, you will get a bearish engulfing candle. You're going to have a lot more work to do. So what I could see, even if it comes down on a weird wick, you should be able to hold somewhere above these wicks here. And if you do, the fib retracement level is in play. Fib retracement is in play. You could see this thing rise 57%. This thing looks great. I love the way it looks. I love the way it feels. It can be legend. But do not try and get in early. Do not do that to yourself. Really don't. So we're going to set an alert on Turbo. Actually, I wanted to like really test it. So we're going to set an alert on Turbo. Wait, what? I heard noise coming from my mic. Oh, jeez. What, like, again? Right now? There's no way. We were dealing with this problem at the beginning of stream. I really hope I don't have to, like, deal with audio issues for the duration of the stream. Hold on. I'm going to see if I can hear it right now. Hold on. I'm going to see if I can hear it right now. Maybe it's because I'm shaking my leg. I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm shaking my leg. I don't know. I don't hear it. I don't hear it. Max, are you on headphones? Are you on, like, gaming headphones? Max, if you're on gaming headphones, you probably hear something that none of us hear. With headphone, I heard it. Yeah, called it. Oh, I called it. My PC is to my right, and the fan. I do hear the fan, but it's not that loud. Yeah, it sounds like a fan, but not really annoying. Okay. Yeah, it's that gentle hum of the PC. That's that's what I think it could be. Which also, I don't know what happened between yesterday and today, where all of my microphones are picking up all this feedback. But sounds like I'm going to be getting a new mic in the near future, where I can change the gain on that thing, and yeah. Or I just need to download something so I can change all the audio. Now it's stopped. Well, now my hands are off the desk, so that might help as well. I fidget a lot, and that could be the problem. Oh, boy. So, yeah, this turbo is ready to race, ready for the big race. And you can argue this is a formal bull flag idea. So even if you do fall down to this level and you keep going, you should find support down here at 86943. But do I think it's worth a gamble at this 96064? I kind of do. But I want to see what happens with the stochastic, how low it gets based off this giant red candle. OBS settings, free filters. It helped your mic settings. Video mentioned the other day. You did mention it the other day, and I did not watch the videos because I am terrible at remembering things. Hold on. Got you, Cody. We're going to check out ApeCoin. Mike. Oh, I'm not in OBS. I'm in Streamlabs OBS, but I'll figure it out. For less poop audio. I misspelled audio, but I'll understand what I meant. Alright, we're going to check out ApeCoin. We have this set up with our alert. Do we have a low? Yep, we're low on the 1 hour, so hope is there. Even if you get a very small move before backtesting this level once again, we could end up seeing a 15% rise. So possibilities are there for Turbo. We're just going to have to wait and see. Let's go ahead and check out ApeCoin. The ape. Interesting. Your 1 hour's not doing you any favors. I'm going to tell you that right away. Your 1 hour's doing you no favors. Looks like we still need to go down and test 106 and or 99.3. If we do not hold those levels, we could quickly be back to 87.9. Quickly could be back down there. Bro, check out Baloo on the Caspa blockchain. Chiquo? You're not trying to send me to Deck Screener, are you? Because there's a $5 dono minimum. There's no way I'm going to Deck Screener without a $5 dono. I'm sorry to say. Chico. All right. I know Chico. That works. You need a crypto tip jar for super chats. I was looking into that. I was trying to set that up. I really was. It's just I don't know how. I'm going to be looking up a video later tonight after I'm off stream. I really do want to do that. So, yeah, there's that. It's new, hit 5 million market cap at one time today. Nice. So you had a good little run up today. Very nice. I'm a new sub. Appreciate the sub, Chico. Appreciate it. All right, checking out ApeCoin. Let me continue into this. So ApeCoin, you do have a bit of a downtrend here that you can focus in on. It looks like we broke out of it. That's surprising. Can you look at please after? If I can find it on TradingView, sure. I have very strict rules about going to Deck Screener. I don't like going to Deck Screener. I really don't. I don't think it's meme season, so I'm just $5 dono. I ain't doing it. Well, ApeCoin, you have my attention. Thanks, bro. Yeah, we'll see if we can find it. Got you covered. Is there any hope for Sui? Simply better. 155. I'm sticking to it. I don't think anybody should be buying Sui right now. I think it needs a pullback. It needs a big pullback. It is so overbought. It's unreal. Let me finish diving into ApeCoin real quick. So ApeCoin on the 4 hour, you're finding a lot of support off your 50 simple moving average. There is a possibility you see a rise. Let's check out the daily for this. Daily, you're still a bit overextended, but you're out of overbought territory. So ApeCoin's in a very interesting situation where you could see it trend down slightly back into this little trading range here before it flies out and gets absolutely crazy. So keep this in mind the more I talk. Now, on your 15-minute, it does look like you want to find a bit of a rally going. So even if you do get a rally going, I'm not going to lie, you still have another downtrend that I think you're not broken out of, but I'm not sure. What is all this stuff going on? Bro, you excited about Black Ops? I did not buy Black Ops. I only play Warzone. So I didn't buy Black Ops, but actually, yeah, it does look cool. I like the Omni movement. I really do like the Omni movement. All right, so if I was trading Bitcoin, ApeCoin, I would not necessarily be looking for a long until we broke this weird, disgusting level of resistance that's been holding us down. We would need to break that and backtest. Otherwise, 160 might be the bounce that you're looking for. The fact that it turned around right here makes no sense in my opinion. So that's a little weird to see because it makes no sense. But anyways, the market will do what the market gonna do. Sin USDT, we'll try and check that out after we check out Baloo, as long as I don't have to go to Deck Screener. All right? I'm going to keep saying that. As long as I don't have to go to Deck Screener, Chico, we are checking out your coin. Okay? That's my only caveat. Deck Screener is a terrible place to be. Lots of lives are lost there. Lots of lives. By lives, I mean meme coins. They just die off. But you said it was only a $5 million market cap. Probably not on an exchange yet. So yeah. Now ApeCoin, it does look like it's trying to break out right now. So let's say you do go up. You have the possibility of getting up anywhere between a 12 and a 18% move to the upside. Your 1 hour is the thing that makes me think that's not really going to happen. Your 1 hour is the thing that's making me think you're about to fall. And the falling could be a 7.3% drop. So there's a possibility you go up. I personally am in the camp that it's going to fall down because you did not hit support yet. And if you can trend down slowly and stay outside of this falling wedge, this could be set up for a very nice trade. A very nice trade. You're too deep into this flag for it to be a flag pull, but to play the falling wedge, definite possibility. So let's just say right here is your formal back test. You could see a 39% rise, $1.55. But what would be a better spot is if it gets down here, 40% rise, $1.50. You just lower your risk the closer you are to this little pocket. And of course, because you had this crazy move up, your stop loss would actually have to be below 99.3. So that's what I'm seeing out of ApeCoin, Cody. It looks interesting. It looks very interesting. Low time frame, like the 15-minute, the 4 hour, those two want to do it, but we've seen it live here. That 1 hour will screw you. It will screw you hard. It will make you feel like you owe it money because you decided to jump into the trade. Your 15-minute is saying, hey, we about to fake you out again, brother. So we're going to wait and see. I would be throwing in shorts though. If it was me, I'd be throwing in shorts because I know a lot of people are probably like, yeah, it's time to go long. Get wrecked. 7% down. So, yeah, anyways, those are my thoughts. You can tell me yours. Now, we're going to go check out Baloo. How do I spell that? B-A-L-U. B-A-L-U. B-A-L-U USD. Can't find it. Baloo Force. What? So yeah, I'm sorry to say, Chico, but it does look like I cannot find your token on TradingView. I'm going to have to skip it because I don't want to go to Deck Screener. Only thing I can really do for you is go on to CoinMarketCap, see where it's trading. Baloo ETH. Okay, yeah, it's an Ethereum. Or is it on base? Thanks though, bro. Chico, no problem. If you have any other requests, feel free to drop them. Just, that's not it? Really? What? You can see the problem we get here now, right? With these tiny little coins. It's like, it's not even listed, bro. God, my eyes. Why? Baloo. Is it Baluba? Is it this? Or is it just Baloo? It's a Caspa coin. Yeah. Well, I don't know. It's a cat. Oh. Well, you got into something that's so brand new, it's not even listed on CoinGecko or on CoinMarketCap. So I do wish you the best of luck on that one. I can't find any information on it. All right, we're checking out Syn. S-Y-N. I'm sure if I did like a deep dive look and try and find it, I probably could. It's just, God, that thing destroys any hope of a smooth stream. It just, oh, it's like a bottleneck. It's awful. All right, we're checking out Syn. No problem, Chico.
Is that enough?
Yes, that's enough. Thank you. Appreciate it.
What happened?
Wife brought me food. This is a great day. Great day every day. The wife brings me food. Anyways, checking out the weekly. It looks like I have to do a lot of charting on this, so just bear with me for a second while I do my thing, all right? Let me get all my levels real fast. You guys know the drill. You've been here. I need my levels. I need them. You're above so many of them. Not the coin. What? Bet you it's the coin. What the fuck do you mean? You said it's on TradingView. Cinternet. Cinternet. You're killing me here. 4 cents? What the fuck? Well, maybe if you gave me the right ticker, that would help. What the? N-O-I-A? Damn it, runner. It's this one? S-Y-N-T? They're both 4 cents. You can see how I could get messed up here? They're both 4 cents. Jesus. Cinternet. Holy. They migrated from... Oh, I get it. Okay. Yeah, this thing's pretty new. Pretty darn new. NOIA may have more data. It's the same. Is it really? All right, well, we're charting this one. God dang it. Any thoughts on Pith? Crypto Naughty. I will check out Pith. I haven't looked at Pith in a very long time. I will check out Pith. Oh, well, isn't this one interesting? Did you? No, you didn't get it. Damn. Wait, did you? Wait, did you? Oh my god, we got the hidden bullish divergence. Oh my god, we got the hidden bullish divergence on the daily. This is not a drill. This is not a drill. We got the confirmed breakout. We back tested it 9,000 times. We're finally starting to see some support. We hit once, we hit twice. Now, remember what I was talking about with Turbo. This is looking a lot like Turbo. A lot like Turbo. This bad boy could very possibly see a move up anywhere between 21% and 63 to 72%. Damn, these timers go crazy. These timers go crazy. We'll check out Pith next. We will check out Pith next. That 4 hour is just not looking fantastic for you. You were oversold. You could see a little more downside because you did see this low right here. Now it is acting as resistance. So we do have to check how has it interacted with this level in the past. Very interestingly. Very interestingly. So we have to go with this. That level matters. A lot. You hit it and you came back down harshly. Okay, so that level matters. But it does look like there's a little pocket here. So 4088, it also is finding resistance from these candle low closes. That's kind of a problem. It looks like you might come down for a second test. If you can hold that second time, great. Yeah, it looks like it might happen. Let's go ahead and check out your 1 hour. See, this is that bullshit. Your 4 hour said you're going down. Your 1 hour saying you're going up. This is that bullshit. It was a top 300 or 200 coin when named that 6 months ago. That's cool. That's cool. So they decided to screw that up for themselves. That's kind of terrible. Kind of terrible. You did have a supply line that you currently are broken down from. So that's a little disappointing. $0.88 at the top. Sweet. Your 15 minutes trying to drag you down as well. Losing your 50 symbol on the 15, not a good look. Really not a good look. So this thing does have the possibility of dropping. However, it is a low cap coin. Things could look a little different. You might come up for a second test and then roll over. But what would be really nice, because you did get this strong bounce, and now you're starting to round off at the top, come down, even if you get back down to this 3747 level, this might be the area in which you want to start trying to take your longs if you did not get in down here. So this might be, get that second test, get that confirmation of the low, that might be what you're looking for. But noted, you get above this 42.36 and you back test it as support, get in right there. But right now you are in the middle, you're in no man's land. No man's land, extremely, extremely risky to get in. Because it could do some weird stuff like down, up, down, up, down, up, and just liquidate everybody. So be careful with this one. But if you're already in the trade from 3693, hang out. Get a chair. Watch the show. But if you're not in yet, considering this harsh pullback here, it makes me think you're coming right back down to this level just to confirm the lows. Those are my thoughts. All right, we're going to check out Pyth. P-Y-F. Where are my P's? L-M-N-O-P. Pyth. Right there. All right, Pyth. I didn't chart this one yet. I probably charted it on the KuCoin one, but let's chart it here. So we have a pocket right here, right overhead. Right overhead, we got a nice pocket of liquidity there. We got nice support. Holy shit. Hit it once, hit it twice, hit it 3 times. They tried 3 separate times, multiple weeks to send this thing down, and they couldn't. Huh. Pyth. Set up for glory. Nice. Let's get some more levels here. Right there's a level. And then you just get up here to this weird little pocket that could slow you down. Yeah, Pyth looking good. So Pyth is probably looking really good with Solana looking so good. Okay, alright. Crypto Naughty coming out here big time. You still have not set a higher high, but you do have a breakout on your hands. From this drop came up. You have a breakout and a confirmed backtest? Is that what I'm noticing here? Almost. On your daily, you can get much more information. So right now you are technically trying to fight against candle low closes from here, which have acted as resistance in the past. You are currently being resisted. Currently. It's taking that level 2. You're in a nice range. You're in a very nice range right now. I like this range. I don't like what the 4 hours doing to you. You're starting to put in a little bit of hidden bearish divergence. Actually, a lot of hidden bearish divergence. Your peak is right here. You lost your strength. Oh, but we did clear this one. Hidden bearish divergence gone. Now, we just have to see what could possibly happen. Soul backtesting. Makes sense. Definitely makes sense. A lot of things are probably going down. Yeah, Bitcoin was showing a lot of promise. Now it's starting to fizzle out. I'm very interested to see what's going to happen tonight, because we have a mixed market. It's very mixed. Thanks for checking it out. No problem. No problem. You can see we were in this downtrend. We popped out of it. We could, I hate to say it, but we could backtest that downtrend. That would be not fun. However, we do have a supply line. So, with the supply line, that's something we do got to pay attention to. From here to here. And we've only had 2 touches. If we see the markets get nuked tomorrow morning, we could see Pyth trading all the way down to this supply line. Possibility is there. It definitely is there, because we only had 2 touches on it. Also, you saw this hit of support, tried to use it as support, fell through it. Hidden bullish divergence was formed, created this rally. So we do have another supply line being formed. That's kind of nice. Let's try and get these lines right. How about we do that? How about we get these lines right? What in the world? All right. But it does look like we're getting a second supply line here. So you do have an opportunity at a little bit higher. But if it comes down and gets this next little test, that might be your opportunity for a lot of upside. Just might. Let's check out your 1 hour. 1 hour, it looks gorgeous, looks great. But we are setting in this new downtrend. So as soon as we can break this downtrend here, we might be set up for a really good time. But it does look like we're pulling back down. Even after these golden crosses, we're just getting a little disrespected. Now, local support, you can see right here, sitting at 3533, acted as resistance, 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 a little bit of support. We're going to mark that out. Mark that out right here. Right there. So coming out, hitting it once, getting the nice little run, coming down to back test would be a good time. So let's see how Pith interacts with 3529. If you cannot hold that level, you're more than likely going to test one of these green lines and find some form of support. But Pith, right now, you're kind of set up to go down and test something as support. What's Pith? So Pith is a protocol in which it gives you like real-time prices. I forgot if they called it an oracle or not, but you get these prices within like tenths of a second of them being updated across multiple exchanges. So you get like the most real-time price action out of any other crypto right now. I think maybe one new one came out that can compete with it, but it's between this one and one other one. That's really all it is. I don't know what else the project does. I stopped paying attention to them when I saw the price going down so much. Once again, I don't really care what their technology is, because when the bull run's over, it's still going to die off. It does not matter. Somebody last bull run was talking about like, oh, you don't know what you mean, when I was talking about Solana would die off. I mean, I really wish I knew who that was that said it, because Solana went from $250 down to $9. I just wanted to find him, send a message and be like, so Solana wouldn't get nuked, huh? I'm petty. I'm very petty. Looks like my trade's struggling again. Dang it. GeckoTerminal.com. They have a lot of stuff on there. I don't know. I don't have a problem with it. I just hate looking up coins on Deck Screener. It's a completely personal reason. I just don't like it. Straight from CoinGecko. Nice. So this thing with all the DEX trackers and everything? Nice. Number 1 is GOAT? Wow. Alright, we'll check that out sometime. You found it 2 minutes ago? Nice. The fresh finds. Love that. The fresh finds. Wow, this is... it's shocking. We have 4 subs on Twitch. That's the most we've had in a long time. That is wild. Appreciate the heck out of you guys. Alright, going back to ApeCoin. So, just wanted to just peek in on ApeCoin, see what's going on. Looks like we're finding a lot of resistance here. Lot of resistance. That 7% downside looks like it's in play. I mean, you could even take some action on this. Getting a stop loss above 117.3. I don't like saying bearish stuff. I'm going to be honest. I really don't like it. But, you know, I have to call it as I see it, guys. I have to call it as I see it. But if you wanted to take a trade on this, you kind of could. And that's solely because of the 1 hour. So you would expect your trade to actually go through by the time you woke up. Well, alright. Did we have any other requests? Checked out Pith. Sol backtesting, Rich says. Let's see if Sol's falling through it. Ooh. Is Sol gonna fall through? What do you guys think?
We found 39 tracking cookies on my PC. Get out of here. Dude, I bought Sol for $18. Sold it at 22 back last year when the first got into crypto, and I was happy with myself. Looking back, I should have backed up the truck. Yeah, you're going to have that feeling a lot more. Don't you worry. That feeling is going to be forever until the bear market comes, and you're like, yeah, I totally should have taken profits. That was a great play on my part. Oh my god. All right. So I remember we looked at Big Time the other day when it got like destroyed. Big Time did something kind of the same way today. Like I looked at this thing before stream started. It was up nearly 7%. Look at this nonsense. Look at this nonsense. It looks just like back here. Whoever's holding a bag of Big Time, they are selling. I mean, my goodness. There is a huge positive, though. Each time the sell-off comes, you are setting higher lows. And it's like significantly higher lows. So, big... That's a really big deal. But, someone is selling off Big Time bad. Actually, we can even raise this up to right there. So maybe, oh, is that a wedge? Nah, that's not a wedge. More like a channel. Okay, so it's a little bit more like a channel, but maybe we come down and we test this green line one day, and maybe that's where people just stop selling their Big Time token. Some of my crew got in Forest and Child. Solana shit ran pretty good. Yeah, Solana was moving up today. It was moving up a lot. I've never heard of those tokens, but, you know, hopefully they did well. Yikes. Yikes. Ape losing its market cap. On its way down. They 4x today. It's not bad for a day's work. Nice little 4x. It's not bad. Still 6.82% downside is possible here on ApeCoin. Let's check in on my trade. Oh, now my trade looks like dog shit. Oh no. This trade looks terrible now. I thought we were recovering. They're like, nah, this is real resistance here, bro. Real resistance here. Eesh. Eesh. Which makes me want to check Bitcoin. Oh, so Bitcoin peaked out on his 15. Now your 15 wants to pull down. Interesting. Your 1 hour is still telling a different story, but that 15 wants to pull you down. 800% on one. Nice, a nice little 8x. That's not bad. Yeah, it looks like we're starting to get the pullbacks. So whoever's shorting right now, maybe you're going to get your day. Your day in the sun. Or maybe around 1 p.m. everything will start shooting up because it seems like that's the time where buy orders start getting placed. Yeah, I look forward to the days when all of a sudden it's like, oh, I got a 10x today. It's like, what? Yeah, I bought Lady Pooping on Frog. And it's like, you did, huh? Like, yeah, that's the coin's name. Okay. I'm excited for those days. Alright, looking like my trade is looking terrible. I actually think I want to jump into those ape short instead. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna jump ship, we're gonna take the loss. 6%, 4% loss, 5% loss really. So I'm getting on out of there. I don't like the trade anymore. We're getting out at a loss. ApeCoin, here we come. We're gonna short you. Ape, let's jump in it. We're gonna go 20x on the leverage. Unless I can go higher. I know most other exchanges I can go much higher. That's gross. We can go higher. We can go up to 200 on Ape. We'll go 25. We'll go 25. That's crazy. What? What do you mean? What are you talking about? Let's go half. Let's see if it'll facilitate that trade. Oh. That's why. We weren't in market. Coin called Fart Coin has 65 million in it. That's kind of funny. Oh yeah. What'd you get wealthy off of? A fart. Like, what? Go 200x. Cody, we are not doing that. We are not doing that. It's on Radium? That's funny. So it's a Solana-based coin. Oh, man. The Solana degens, they're something else. They are something else, I'll tell you. So let's see if we can get our stop loss at 116.8. That would be a great stop loss. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Your reaction, 200x leverage, was thumbnail worthy. Oh no. Too bad I don't make thumbnails. You know, every time I want to make a thumbnail, I just don't see the point. I really don't. Alright, 116.8. That'll be a 70% loss? Ooh, we don't want that to happen. We really don't want that to happen. That would be terrible. 106. $100x longs right at resistance are always exhilarating. They keep you on your toes. Sergio, that is awful. I got a feeling, bro. We're breaking out. Like, what? What feeling is that? You feel like losing money? Oh, man. There's some wild ones out there that probably would do that. They probably would. Alright, so we got the ape trade set up. We're going to see when it touches this. We're going to see if it breaks out and see if we get wrecked or not. I have this weird feeling we're going to be able to not only get this short in, but possibly jump into a long right after. I'm saying possibly because, you know, once again, no crystal ball. No crystal ball was found today. Or any other day. Kind of disappointed. I need the crystal ball. Could you imagine? Could you? Yeah, it was funny. Somebody asked me, like, if you had one wish and you could not wish directly for money, what would that be? And I was like, that I could be 100% correct on all of my trades for 5 days straight in the crypto market. And they were like, what? I'm like, yeah, that would be my wish. They're like, but I was like, hey, just saying. You asked me for a wish. Could you imagine if you could be 5 days straight? Every trade you made executed perfectly? First off, I'd be using ridiculous leverage on tiny little meme coins. I'd be like, this thing's going to shoot up 50%. Like ApeCoin here, and I'm going to put 200x leverage on it. Let's go, baby. Oh, man. It'd be like, this man became a billionaire in 5 days. It's like, yeah, crypto market really pays. It really pays. Oh, man. You wouldn't sleep for 5 days? I'm sure you'd survive. It'd be fine. It'd be fine. You'd be set for life. And that's when BTC goes sideways 5 days straight. Doesn't matter. Sideways, you can still make money. Cody, you trade high leverage? I mean, I trade high leverage too, compared to somebody who only goes like 2x. So like Bitcoin, I would do 100x. Right now, I would do 100x. Because you have this demand line that has formed. You have a high stochastic on the 15. I'd then go down to the 3 minute. 3 minute, you're not oversold yet. So naturally, you're just looking at it from this standpoint. You're like, here's this to this. You set a lower high, you're probably coming down to 67.72. Probably going to happen. Unless you find support down here at 67.849. I would be risking 30% for the opportunity of making 42%. That's the one thing I don't like about 100x leverage. You took a 10 trading bonus to 2,500 on buy DeFi. Nice. That's solid. That's a solid gain. Good work. Good work. It's always nice when you can do stuff like that. Because then all of a sudden you're like, wow, I'm not really worried about much. I did a crazy thing with $10. The best I've ever done was like $10 to 10,000, but I only pulled that off like twice. And that was annoying that it was only twice. Dang, we're really starting to pick up steam on this downtrend, aren't we? Huh. ApeCoin coming down. ApeCoin coming down. So you guys just saw my entire process of looking at ApeCoin and why I took this short. We technically found an edge. Now we're falling. Twice in how many years? It was in the same year. It was the exact same year. And that's just because I was going off of a very, very simple trading plan where I focused in on I would only find trades that would hit X amount of percentage. So if you go to your compound calculator here and you just start compounding things, you can go $10, you can go 150%, and put it in the course of 8 trades. You can calculate that out. You end up with 15K. All that really happens is on this 6,000, you get close to doubling it. And you're like, hey, 10,000. And I just took profits and ran. But yeah, you can do it within 8 trades. It's surprising, but when you get really good at like reading the chart and the market doesn't do weird sideways nonsense, it gets really easy to pull that off. To go above the 15,000, it gets really hard. It makes it easier if you spread out across multiple exchanges, so then you're less likely to get stopped out on one, but it gets a little harder. So oddly enough, one of my clients earlier today, I mentioned it to her. I was like, oh yeah, in the height of the bull run, it's good to have like 5 exchanges that you're trading on, just so you can facilitate all of your trades. So let's just say you see something that looks like it can go up 50%. Don't do all of that on one exchange. It's a really bad idea. It's a lot better to just spread out on 5 different exchanges, $2,000 trades, so then it's more diluted. You don't put such a huge like pool of liquidity on one, because the bots somehow, some way, they'll find it and they will take you out. It will take you out faster than you, like as soon as you enter that trade, all of a sudden you just see the price going straight to it and you're like, what the heck is this? It was going sideways. And then once you get stopped out, flies right back out of there and you're like, oh, what the hell was that? Makes me think some of those bots are like controlled by the actual exchange. But you know, that's just my conspiracy theory. Outside of FTX, where we know they did that. Alright, so ApeCoin going down. I guess AEVO is trying to hold its own, trying to get a full reset. Maybe it does break out. maybe I was a little too quick on the trigger to get out of this trade, but it was only a 5% loss, so it's not that bad. If the whole market starts rallying at this moment because we just got a new 4-hour candle, then I'm in some hot water on this trade. Currently, we are up about 27%, so it's not too shabby. It's just, will it continue? Let's jump back to the 4 hour so we can see what's going on. So the Stochastic is basically flatlining. Yikes. I'm also betting that it's going to lose its 50 simple. This is a harsh bet because I'm literally shorting at a form of support. This is a hard bet. Hard bet. Oh, Avio just starting to... Okay, sure. Sure. Avio, you're probably going to see it sail off into the distance. Wafting blonde hair. Getting a supermodel girlfriend. Just going to be... Oh, man. Man, oh, man. We'll see. We'll see. Nero USDT spot Bybit. What? Okay. Is that a statement? Or do you want me to, like, look at it? Oh, it's actually called Spot. Sorry, I gotta check. Oh, I was just like, what are you... Okay. Yeah, Nero has been consolidating for a long time. After its huge run-up. Huh. Almost got there. It almost got there. Are those really all the levels we can... Oh, that Avio. I should have been more patient. It's starting to run. Slightly. It's moving. It's moving. It's going up. It's, it's starting to sting a little bit. Damn. Oh, well. Oh, Ape's going up, too. It's starting to sting a lot. Well, this is neat. Oh, that's really neat. Okay. Okay. You got this right here. Okay, I see you. You're at the bottom of a trading range. This thing could literally just go straight to the top. You like to see that. This thing could rally about 37%, 36%. Very possible. That's your thought? Yeah, you're at the bottom of the trading range. You've reset your stochastic. Your daily's looking pretty good. What's your 4 hour? This is the thing that's holding me back. So maybe you trend a bit sideways. Maybe you start putting in a little hidden bullish divergence, testing this 6-6 level. But no, if you can hold 714, if you can hold that, then very easily, 36%, very easily. But yeah, that 4 hour, got some work to do there. Your 1 hour looks great. 1 hour looks actual great. That's why, jeez, I don't know if you guys have seen it when it's like lower time frames look really good, but the 4 hour looks terrible. It gets rough out there. Yo. Nice. Give me 1 second, guys. 1 second. All right, I'm checking your message now, runner. I'm checking it now. All right. I don't know what that first one is. I have to clear this first. What is this? Oh, you're talking about Bitcoin needs to clear that level? I can see that playing a resistance. I can see that. And then looking at this one, oh, you have it marked out right where I do. That's absolutely insane. Yeah, runner. I'm in agreement with your thoughts here. I'm in agreement. Yeah, Adam, you're going to notice during this bull run, or actually just during the more trading you do, you're going to hit 8 trades in a row, and then you're going to be like, whoa, my trading account just got big. Like, really big. And you'll just be like, oh, is this what? Yeah, that's what it feels like. It's going to be crazy. Just got back, had to run downstairs. Yeah, runner, what I was saying is, like, we basically thought about the exact same area. I think you have yours somewhere down here, which also makes a lot of sense from this trading range. If we do get down there, simply the 4 hours is the only thing that's holding this one back. If that 4 hour pushes you all the way down to this trading range, yeah, you could fly. You could actually fly. So let's just say you get this. Very easily could happen. Very easily. I would prefer a much higher low, but if you get these same lows, so you end up stopping like right there, oh my god, that's the entry of a lifetime. You gonna take it? If it gets down here, yes. Gets here, I want it to break back above this and hold it as support, then yes. But yeah, I probably will. I just don't know how long I'd hold it, because I get in and out of trades like every day. I'm not a very good swing trader, just because I always am staring at charts. So I get FOMO bad. I have some really good people who I get ideas from. Very nice. Hey, can we take a look at math? Your TA the other day helped out a lot. I made a decision and avoided a mean nosedive. Nice. I have some really good people who get ideas from. That's good, runner. Honestly, that's really good. I'm hoping one day this group could be kind of the same way. I want everyone to learn more than I know, and then we all can share ideas. That would be great. But yeah, this trade setup here with Nero, it looks really good. Just kind of letting it cook real fast. Just letting it cook. I guess we didn't choose that. Gate.io. Wait. Gate.io. Probably used that one. Yes, I did. Oh my god. Hey, you found support down here. That's good. The only problem is now you got to confirm your lows. So that kind of sucks. Oh my goodness. This was a 35% candle. Damn, Adam. Damn. I really hope you got out right here on this bearish backtest. I hope you did that. Math ain't mathin'. Math really is not mathin'. Holy this 1 hour candle was 35%. That is insane. Wiped my brow on that one. Yeah, it looks like you're going to have to confirm a bottom. So I'd expect price more than likely to come back down to this 31, 37, setting a higher low and hitting this level of support once again. You can't have such a sharp drop like that without confirming a low. I wouldn't even touch it before it tries to do that. I would not even touch it. Wouldn't even consider touching it. I wouldn't even touch it with your bank account. Like, no way. There's no possible way. However, really good thing. You can see, based off this downtrend here, you got a formal back test. So that's kind of good. BTC back under 68K. Yeah, that makes sense. Makes sense. The 15-minute turned bearish on us. The 15 turned bearish. So maybe the selling will continue throughout the night. So whoever decided to be on that short earlier tonight, good for you. Good call. I was thinking a bit earlier before that 4-hour candle, maybe we could see some upside. I was wrong. I'm saying it live. I was wrong. But noted, that is the world of trading. You're probably going to be wrong a lot. So just get used to it. It's fine. It's no big deal. So this is actually a really good thing. What math did, it basically just proved this level here does not matter much. It's more of a small level of support and resistance. Do I ever use Ichimoku clouds? No, I do not. I do not use the clouds, partially because I've never really understood them, so I don't really use them. We can mark this out as a light level of support, so it's very light. Maybe we can think about it in some time in the future, but light level support, real support, sitting right here. We've hit resistance so many times. Now it acted as support for the first time. Math is doing good on that. You have to present them all. Present them. I'll send you something. I have to present them? I'll check it out. I'll see if I can start understanding it. There's a lot to trading I still don't understand. I also don't understand harmonics. That's why I watch Mitch Ray so often, because that's what he uses. And he's pretty darn accurate with his trading. But I think he's more of a swing trader and less of a day trader. But either way, when it comes to a swing trade, you find a harmonic and that just works out, I'm in. It looks great. So I'm like, yeah, I got to learn this. I just can't remember those numbers. Well, now that we came that low, I need to point out the other level below it, which is right here. Right there. The other level below it. So if we happen to lose this level at 31.37, we could find ourselves back to 21.46. You use fibs, harmonics, Elliots, etc. You use a lot of stuff, man. You using a lot of stuff out there, man. That's surprising. I can't use that many things. I like to keep it real simple. Real simple. The more simple, the easier it is for me to recognize what could be going on. Not altogether, just for confirmations. It's a smart move. It's a very smart move. Honestly, the more tools you have in your tool chest, the better it is for your trades. So yeah, it's actually a really good thing. So technically, you're in a pocket right here. If you can confirm 31.37 as support, this could be an extremely advantageous place to jump into math. Math could start mathing again. But you do have a new downtrend that has formed. So keep that in mind. New downtrend right here has formed. And everything below that, it is an opportunity at a short. Everything below it. Every gosh darn thing. Right there. You even tried to break out, then you just got shoved right back down. Oh, the insanity. So math, you could be considering a, 20% move to the downside? I don't know who math pissed off, but damn. Damn. Do we have an opportunity in math? No, we don't. God damn it. What's going on?
We're saying goodnight. Oh, she headbutted me.
She headbutted you? Oh no. Hey, baby girl. Say hi to Stream. Say hi, Stream. Hi. Hello.
You want to show off your kitty cat?
You want to show off your cat? It's a new cat.
Can you make sure that he gets to bed at 9:30 because Mom's going to bed right now and I am too?
Okay. It's only 15 minutes away. Son of a bitch.
He's still eating.
Really?
Yeah, he asked for seconds.
Alright. You like the microphone? You like the microphone?
boo. Night night time.
Love you, baby girl. Good night night. I'll be there in a bit.
Yep.
Love you. Oh, that little girl's gonna drive me crazy one day. It's gonna be terrible. I love her though. All right, so math, we could see another 20% downside. Yikes. And it's already starting to move. Oof. Oof. Oh god, and your 15 is facilitating it? Oh no. All right, well we'll see what happens with math. We will see. I'll love the Ikamuku clouds. Really? You should short it. I can't. I don't know where I can trade this thing. Hold on. Hold on. We can find out. We have the technology. Math. I think a $45 million market cap. Adam, no problem. You can trade it on MEXC. Too bad. Get.io. Coinbase Exchange has it? What the fuck? Must be nice. Must be nice. But our affiliate Weeks does not have it. Does not have it. So that's kind of a shame. But Max, we are shorting ApeCoin right now. And Ape is doing some of the stuff and the things I thought it would. But now it looks like it's losing that selling steam. Bonk. Alright, so Bonk, you guys know how I got out of that trade and whatnot. Bonk would have officially stopped me out. Bonk would have officially stopped me out. Let's go ahead and check out Bonk and see what happened. Look at that. Because I did raise up my stop loss at first. But when I saw we broke this level and then we had this peak and we got pulled down, that's where I got out of Bonk. So, Bonk, we're waiting to see where it finds support. Just waiting to see what happens. That's too bad. Bonk going down. Whole market going down. We're going down, baby. And that's all thanks to our boy Bitcoin. Max, good night. Have a great night's rest. We will be back tomorrow. Hopefully you can join us. But I think all the selling pressure after tomorrow, it's probably going to be gone. And we get prepared for Moonvember. So hopefully you're ready. Good evening. Good evening, Adam. Good evening. Yeah, history's on our side with Moonvember. Also, it'll be fresh after a new batch of Fed rate cuts. The election will be over, so that uncertainty will be gone. And you know what? I'm getting some hope for the end of the year. Getting some hope. I still think Christmas is canceled for most families, which it sucks. But the economy's not great. Either way, I think institutions are ready to start pumping the bags hard for a Christmas rally. And or for them to dump it on everybody. We'll see. Uptober effing sucked. Runner. It's not over yet. You gotta realize we still have until Thursday. A lot can happen within a week. A lot can happen in a week. A lot. And with Bitcoin already broken out and trying to find some form of support, a lot can happen. So don't get discouraged. Do not get discouraged. Is it as good as previous years? Not really. But then again, previous years, we didn't have like world markets trying to destroy all of the consumers. We didn't have that. So, it's a little different this time around. I'm on a long-term plan. That's smart. Long-term, good. Short-term, not great. Not great. Oh yeah, so everybody, when I mentioned I would do that like 100x short on Bitcoin, you can see it's kind of going there. You can see like the idea panning out. Yeah, it's doing it. Any one coin. Wait. Any coin. Anyone coin to $10. Is that a cryptocurrency's name? Is it called coin? I think there's one called coin. It's now called Anyone. Oh my god. What? Anyone protocol. Why? Oh man. Literally called Anyone. That's kind of funny. That's kind of funny. They wanted to get away from Tor. Too centralized? Well, that's smart. If you're too centralized, I mean, the first thing you got to realize is the U.S. is going to try and sue you. That is first and foremost. U.S. is like, we suing you, bro. We know where you are. Suing you completely. Huh. It's a weird spot. Why did it stop here? You have 45,000 of these tokens? Dang, you accumulated this bad boy a lot. So yeah, 84 cents? You accumulated this bad boy a lot. Well, you have the possibility of getting a higher low. Cool. Cool. At 3 cents? Not bad. You're doing pretty well on it. AEVO. I would have been stopped out live on stream. Good thing I got out of there. Good thing I got out of there. Our ape trade. Ape. We're up 69%, 70% live on stream. We're there. Taking profit down here, though. Turned out pretty decent. Turned out pretty decent. At the expense of the crypto market. But hey, guess what we're going to do during the bear market? We are going to be shorting. So let this just be a precursor of what you're going to see when the bearish times come. You're going to see me sit here like, oh my god, it's getting nuked. Oh no. As I dance on all these crypto's corpses. Because I'm for profit. I am no diamond hander. Never again will I diamond hand. Ever. It was a great concept my first bull run. Never again. Alright, so interesting look here for anyone. Anyone, I do like that it's in a falling wedge coming down to support. This is actually kind of sexy. It's actually kind of sexy. So, the fact that you are doing that, you're more than likely going to get a bounce, hit the top, come down. You could even get this weird scam wick down to touch it again, but you're probably going to find support, break out, find support again, then take off. So this one should be on everyone's radar to pay attention to. It's going to have a lot of consolidating. I mean, like a lot. But as soon as you do get a breakout with a confirmation of a back test, you could see a 24% run. It runs fast. I believe it. But, you know, this time it tried to run up, fell down hard. This time was a fast runner. This time was a pretty fast runner. I think the next time it should be fast. You messed up and didn't sell it all at $4? On this exchange, you only have $1.85, so it's okay. It's okay. There's always next time. Sold 40K, though. Not bad. Not bad gains. Not bad gains. When it was ATOR? Oh, ATOR. That's good, though. That's really good. Yeah, I'm excited for this bull run. I can't wait until all of a sudden I sell off some token and it's going to be like, oh, I profited like 2 million. And everybody just, you did what? Hey, I told you all to accumulate down there. Don't know what you were doing. 2K initial investment. Not bad at all. Not bad. Yeah, it's nice when you pull out like... I think when I got my first 6-figure profit, I saw it, I sold it. I was like, oh my god, 100 sell. Instantly. But I didn't get the whole 100. It came out to like 92,000 or something because it was such a small illiquid coin that I lost 8,000 on the selling. But either way, that was awesome. It was actually awesome. I was like, this is the greatest feeling on earth. I love this. But yeah, this time around, I know what that feeling feels like. Now I want to feel that with like millions. The only problem now is if I only get a single million, that's not even a house where I live. That's the part that sucks. So it's like if I want to live comfortably throughout the next bear market and whatnot, 10 million is just a benchmark. That'll tide me over for 4 years to get ready for the next bull run. And then the next bull run after that, it's like, nah, we're not playing no more. We're going for way more. So that's why I have my goal. And not to mention, I got my son on the way. I got my daughter. I'm going to have to think about college because I know those little turds are going to be like, I want to go to college. Like, why? Oh, yeah, we're definitely going to do it. It's just, geez. I'm happy I know how to read charts. I am happy I know how to do that, so I can trade these things ultra aggressive. I realized I didn't even look at Sui earlier today. Hold on. Yeah, I know. I mean, I went to college. I actually used my degree, sort of, but in all honesty, I didn't really need to go to college. Sui, on the daily, you are losing a level of support. You're falling out of your broadening wedge. Let's go, Sui. I don't think people are ready for the pullback that could happen on Sui. Short Sui, yes. Short Sui. I don't think people are ready for the pullback. I said initially, 155 is your target. Let's be completely honest here. You never backtested this level as support. 124 is in play for Sui. 124. However, you get down there, you might want to throw the entire bag at this thing just because it's going to run, and it's going to run hard. Only reason I got that level is because of the weekly candle high closes here. The fact that you broke and never back tested it, it's a real problem. And not to mention you do have hidden bearish divergence now on the weekly, which basically means you're going down, bro. You're going down. If you don't hold those levels, this could get super nasty. Super nasty. Sui right there. $1.06. If you lose $1.06. Sheesh. Lose $1.06, 75 cents. 75 cents would be a phenomenal place to buy in. You think peak is October 2025? No. No, I don't. I think the peak is going to be weird this time around. I really do. I feel like October 2025, we're going to see what October is supposed to look like because the Fed will have lowered interest rates so much and stimulated the economy so much that we should actually see average Joe who doesn't know anything being able to get into this market. So I think that will be a very good time in the markets. But I think it's going to have more like the double top thing like we had last bull run, where it hit 63,000, came down to 30, then it shot straight up to like 69. I think we're going to have something like that. So maybe we'll have like our first peak somewhere around November, December. But then I think our second peak will come the following year. So I do think we're going to have a much more extended cycle. 110 to 70, then more. Yeah, something like that I think could happen. But it's all speculation. I don't know for certain. We're going to have to wait and find out. But yeah, I think something like that definitely could happen. I think 200 plus. I'm in the camp that when a bank during the bear market, Citibank said they believed it could get to 400,000, I'm in that camp. Yeah, maybe 400. So that's my mark. Anytime banks say that something can go to a certain area, I just tend to believe them because they're the ones manipulating markets. So I'm like, yeah, it could go there. All right, so we have all of our levels marked out for Sui, which is nice because we lose this level, most likely we're coming down to this level, somewhere in here. We lose this level, we're coming down here. If we get down here, this is your ultimate buying opportunity for Sui, down between 75 and 63 cents. I've got the fibs on that somewhere. That's 416, I believe, for Sui, getting up to $4.16. I think Sui's going to go much higher than that because it's backed by Binance. So the fact that it's backed by Binance, I think it's going to go a lot higher than anyone's thinking. I got to watch the Binance token last bull run go from, I think it went as low as like $30. Maybe it was even lower than that. I just remember $30, and it shot up to like 600. But Binance does a really good job of buying their own tokens with all the other traders' fees. 416 fib for Bitcoin to go to 400. That would be pretty strong. That would be pretty cool. I'm for it. Let's make it happen. Everyone buy. Everyone buy. BlackRock, buy it. Do it. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. I gotta make sure my nephew's going to sleep. Unify Cody, I will get that as soon as I get back. Give me like 1 minute. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Oh no, we caught a bounce with ApeCoin? What are we doing? All right, Unify. Oh. I don't like this. I don't accumulation range. I don't have much more to say about this, honestly. It could rally. It definitely could. You're in your range. You tried to test your lows back here at $1.33.6, and now it looks like it's trying to catch some bids. Where it could possibly go if you manage to break out of this 3.8. In a downtrend. Technically in a downtrend. I mean, this daily candle, they wanted to stop out God himself. Keep getting kicked out. What do you mean you're getting kicked out, runner? Also, if you're having issues over there on Twitch, you can always get me on YouTube. I am currently live on YouTube as well. No sound? Whoa, what? There's no way there's no sound, right? You can always get me on... No, there's sound. How dare you? So, are you setting higher lows? I mean, you can't even think about trading this right now. It just did so much wicking. I guess. I mean, you're holding support finally. I guess. Okay, your 4 hour just looks weird. It just looks weird. I don't feel right about this. Yeah, it could rally, but it also could go down. Stochastic, flatlining at the top. Your relative strength super in the middle. Twitch is jacked up. Twitch is pretty jacked up, Eric. It is pretty jacked up. You're right. 1 hour wants to try and go up. Yeah, I'm sorry to say, but this price action here, Cody, I would not touch this thing. I wouldn't even think about touching it. I needed to settle down. Chill out. Figure it out. Now you know my name. This is Runners. Oh, okay. Eric, I know you now. I know you. Now I'm going to look up your home address. We're going to drink beer together. Be ready. Oh, man. All right, so low time frames on Unify. It looks like you're going to go up and test this 303 again. It's a strong possibility that happens. I don't trust all the price action that recently happened. It does on this time frame look like you chilled out with that, but yeah, be careful on this. Be very careful, because you could just wick on down and go back up. It's a possibility. I guess you're maintaining a supply line. It's kind of weird. I didn't expect that. So yeah, maybe you can go long and see what happens. But yeah, I guess target is $6.15. It could happen in a single 15-minute candle. That's wild. It's actually wild. Alright, I'm going to peek in on this ape trade. Damn it, ape is finding support again? Fuck. Stop it, ape. Are you putting in the hidden? No, you're not. Still downtrending. This is giving me the feeling like Book of Meme. It's making me feel real insecure about this trade. Oh, yeah, I didn't show you guys what happened to me on that short the other day. So, Book of Meme here. I got in a short right around here. Actually, it was right around here. It tried to stop me out going to the upside, fell all the way down. My profit taking level was somewhere like within 2% of this. And I was like, okay, great. Maybe we get down here, touch support, and then go. I woke up, stopped out. I took a nap. I woke up, stopped out. I was like, what was that? I was so mad. I was like, you can't just... Why? So yeah, Book of Meme did me dirty. And now it's pulling back even harder again. Down 5%. Market is wild right now. This gives me all the feeling of there's a bunch of leverage out there and everyone's trying to stop out everyone. Oh man. Luckily, daily candle close tomorrow. We're going to get resolution of all this futures nonsense. And then we'll go back to a very normal market. Because until the last Friday of November, I mean, we're probably just going to trend up. If I'm being honest, we're probably just trending straight up. Because there's not really much holding us back. I mean, we even have an FOMC meeting where they're cutting rates. So, you know, everything's looking great for the month of November. We're just dealing with shaky nonsense for the last Friday of October. Alrighty. I need to say we're still in the short for ApeCoin. We're trying to set a higher low, which has me really worried. I don't like that. Your 1 hour is trying its best to reset. Oh, you're finding support off the 200 simple moving average. Great. Awesome. Love it. I'm going to try and leave this short open. I'm going to try really hard because it is 120%. Also, I just like winning, you know, it's kind of nice. It would be also nice to see a triple hidden bullish divergence while you're backtesting a support. That would be really cool. Because then I would more than likely try and go long here. But, yeah, final thoughts are Bitcoin trying to catch a bounce off the 200 simple moving average on the 1 hour. You have fully reset your 1 hour stochastic. Your relative strength, you're still sitting in the bullish control zone. What's going on with ETH? No one cares about ETH. That's the problem with ETH. No one cares. We'll check out ETH real quick. Oh, we hit the measured move? All right, so Bitcoin on that idea of the 100x right there, hit the measured move. You would have been up 45% if you had been in that trade. It's right there. So we're finding a bounce now from that. It's kind of cool. Kind of nice. Kind of nice. We also have this level from the 1 hour, these candle high closes, 67.85, trying to act as support, kind of failing. Kind of failing. Still trying to push down. Going out 7 minute, wants to rally 15 minute. Still has more downside that it could go. Yeah, so market's looking interesting. Market's looking interesting. Ethereum, the ugly stepchild of the crypto market, finding some support. So on the daily, you're finding support off of your 50 simple moving average for the second time. This is an area in which longs could possibly make an argument to go long. Better argument would be on your supply line. It kind of sucks. You went from broken out all the way down to below your median line. That kind of sucks because these candle high closes, you are below them at $2,529. So Ethereum has a lot of work to do, but I do think once we get bullish again, Ethereum's probably going to shock everybody because now we don't actually need a formal backtest when we break out, and that might catch a lot of traders off guard. So this right now, you could see this symmetrical triangle playing out. Ethereum could theoretically rally off of this point right this moment all the way up to 3,351. It could do it. It's just a matter of will it. We'll see. I don't have that much faith in Ethereum right now because I think Solana is a much better product. And Solana just all around is better. It's even better in its staking. It's just the fees are low. All the developers are developing over there on Solana. I mean, Ethereum still gets their developers, sure. But, like, nobody wants to pay those gas fees. Nobody. That's the biggest thing holding it back. So until Ethereum can figure that out, it's toast. Things that'll do well if Ethereum happens to start going up, OP, FTM, and any other, Loop Ring. Those three should benefit greatly. Also, ENS, Ethereum Name Services. Those four, they should be doing phenomenal if Ethereum goes up. I know somebody's like, why would FTM? They're layer 1. They're creating that Sonic chain that's going to be a layer 2 for Ethereum. That's why. And the Sonic is going to be an airdrop 1-to-1 to your FTM tokens that you're holding. So, yeah. They'll probably go up greatly as well. Anywho. Nero 693. What, Nero started going up? Is that what you're saying? Or did it go down? I don't know. Oh, my ape trade is getting demolished as we speak. Oof. It's going down. Nice. Nero spot. That's what I did it on. Oh, yeah, nice. Nice. So it looks like we are going to get that test down here after all. If we can get down here, that'll be way better. Who gets the gas fees when the transaction is done? The miners. You know what? I actually have no idea who gets it now. I'm guessing it's a part of the staking rewards because Ethereum switched over to proof of stake. Yeah. So now their gas fees are just high just because. But normally, yes, the miners would get it. Normally. But now it's proof of stake. I guess it goes into the staking rewards. I don't know. ApeCoin doing me dirty. ApeCoin doing me dirty. Oof. That's not what you want to see. That right there, not what you want to see. ApeCoin's doing me real dirty. We were up 70%. Now we're down to 36% profit. Too bad. So now AEVO. We can see this thing continue down. Another 5.6%. You don't want to lose support. You don't want to lose support. It triggers a lot of bots to start selling. It just it liquidates longs. You don't want to lose support. It's too bad. Because now this entire supply line gets invalidated because you couldn't hold support. What a shame. What a shame. You had one job. Now we're going to see if this other support can hold all the way down here. Once again, don't be surprised if you see these markets absolutely wrecked in the morning. Actually, let's go back to that Bitcoin heat map. Let's check out the 24-hour. Let's see how much liquid. Oh my God. 53 million, 47 million, 44 million. Why did everybody go long down here? Holy shit. 27 million, 32 million. Oh no. Well, if I would wager. Whoa, what happened to my camera? Whoa. How did we lose focus? There we go. We're back in focus. Oh, you guys can't even see the heat map. Okay, let's bring it over my head. Oh, man. All right, so you can see all of this liquidity down here on the 24-hour time frame. This is shocking. So 66,752. That is in play for the 24-hour. If they get real mean with it and they want to take out all of this leverage, they could bring it all the way down to 65,900. Yikes. Yikes. Let the nukage begin, baby. 63? You think it'll go down to 60? Well, I guess with liquidation, sure, maybe. Man, we about to have a volatile morning, I'll tell you that. It's about to get volatile up in here. It's going to be a wild ride. I can tell you how much. It's going to be a wild ride. All right, everybody. I'm going to call it a night. I'm going to get some rest if I can. Wake up. I will be here for the morning stream when these markets open, when I think things are going to get crazy. So if you guys are awake with me, I do plan on being here. You guys have a good night. Eric, a.k.a. Runners, you have a great night as well. Runners and Max, thank you once again for the subs over on Twitch. You guys are absolutely amazing. Time is morning stream. So Pacific Standard Time, it is 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard. So I guess Central, it's 7:30, 8:30, something like that. And then if you got East Coast, it's 9:30 in the morning. You're East, yeah, 9:30 for you. You got 3 hours ahead of me. Take care, everybody. I appreciate you all, and I'll be here in the morning. At least I plan on it. As long as I can wake up, but I do plan on waking up, so I'll be here. Anyways, much love, everybody. Deuces. Make sure those stop losses are tight. Be careful out there. Ethan, peace. Cody, later. Bye, everybody. Also, looks like starting the 28th big announcement is possibly coming. I think the 28th. Maybe it's going to be like November 1st or something. We'll see. We'll see. Big announcement coming. A new affiliate is coming for the exchanges. So this should be fun. Anyways, I'll catch y'all later. Deuces and much love. I'm out. Are you still with Fair? No, I'm not. Fairdesk and JumpX, they no longer allow trading. They got afraid of the U.S. government. So I am with Weeks. That's why also you see all these prompts popping up with the Weeks exchange. That's why it's there. We are affiliated with Weeks. We're getting another affiliate soon. Another affiliate coming soon. But yeah, get your money out of JumpX. You guys can withdraw all the way up to November 30th for both JumpX and Fairdesk. Thanks again. No problem. No problem. Y'all take it easy.